Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Cross It Out show. Of course, my name is Yaa Bitha, your host. As always, you already know on the Cross It Out show, we always aim to promote the campaign of Cross It Out. We've always told you that our mission with Cross It Out is to educate and empower the next generation of young women about breast cancer awareness, the health risks, and holistic well-being. Together, we're crossing out the risks, the fear, and the stigma surrounding breast cancer and other life-threatening diseases. Please join us in crossing out the risks, the fear, and let's foster resilience while we hope to shape a healthier future for our youth. Like I've always mentioned in every episode, we've made various stops in different parts of the country. We've gone to the eastern region, we've gone to the central region, we've gone to the Ashanti region, and of course, Greater Accra region there. We definitely started from here. Like I mentioned before, in all of the episodes, we'll take you on a journey, recapping our amazing time in all of these schools. In our last episode, of course, we covered one of the schools that we went to, but in this episode, we bring you St. Mary's Girls Senior High School. Now, before I continue, I just want to remind you that this show, this drive, the whole campaign tour, is proudly brought to you by Flora Tissues with help from Top Choco, Tango Prime Washing Powder, IBM Petroleum, McPhillips Foods, YFM, and High School Click. Now, let's take a quick break. We'll be right back. We're tweaking things a little bit today. You know how every time I come on your screens to talk about the Cross It Out show, I always bring in our guest speakers to talk to us. Today we're doing it a little bit differently. We're bringing in two ladies from St. Mary's Girls Senior High School, and they go by the name Olivia and Wasima. How are you doing?
You're fine.
You're fine. How is school?
It's okay.
I heard that you're preparing for the exams, the final exams. Wasima, how is it going?
We've been going for classes, we've been revising, and the prep is also effective, so everything is well.
Okay, and for you, Olivia?
It's going great.
Halfway there. What are your expectations after the exam? Yes. I mean, everybody expects to be successful, right? Everybody wants to, get the grades they want and everything. But personally, what is your expectation?
I do well. Go to a good school.
Okay.
Get good grades.
Do you have a particular university in mind that you want to go to?
Yes.
Oh, really? Do you want to tell me?
After the show.
After the show, you tell me. Wasima, how about you?
I do well. I get my 8 A's.
Okay.
I visit places and I pray for my good results.
Okay. Well, my prayer is that it comes through for both of you. Say amen.
Amen.
Beautiful. Now, I am going to ask you this. We came to your school for the Cross It Out campaign tour.
Yes.
Let me start with Olivia. How was it?
It was amazing. We had a really good time.
What are some of the things that you remember from that day?
When you were dancing.
I don't dance. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what she's talking about.
When you were dancing, when we had the whole song performance from Maya Blue and then Lali X Loli. And then when Dr. Erica was talking to us about the whole breast cancer stuff.
Okay, hey, Oli has mentioned the whole thing. Wasima, what do you remember from that day?
Okay, I remember she said when you were dancing in your heels.
Again, PSA, that did not happen.
Okay, yes, Lali Esloya came to sport there. It was very nice. Also Maya Blue also, yes. And DJ Wallpaper.
Okay, it's good. I'm really glad that you mentioned DJ Wallpaper. Shout out to DJ Wallpaper. What were some of the conversations that you had after the event was done? When you went back to your dormitories, when you went back to your, well, let me call them homes. What were some of the conversations that you had? Wasima?
We were like, hey, so did we know we could check up, examine our breasts ourselves? So I was with my friends in the dorm, then we're like, okay, let's try. And we examine ourselves in front of our bathhouse in the dorm.
And for you, Olivia?
We spoke about the show and then how everything was and how motivational and educational it was.
It was. So wait, let me ask you this. Do you know how to self-examine yourselves?
Yes, please.
You're sure?
Yes.
Okay, what is the pose you do when you're ready to self-examine?
You stand straight in front of a mirror, a long mirror. Then if you want to examine yourself, you use your right hand across your back neck. Then you use your eyes to divide your breast into 4 sectors.
Yes.
So this other left hand, you use for the first sector to check whether there's a lamp. So when you check for like 5 minutes, then you move to the other side, then other side, then other side. Then keep your hands down.
Hey, you were paying attention.
Yes,
though.
please.
Hey, that's actually really good. I wish I had some presents that I could just dash you, and I should look for like 10 million and use to dash you. But I'll give you after school. Don't worry. After school, then I'll give it to you. But that is amazing. So I'm coming to you, Olivia. Many a time, a lot of people believe that it's only in October that we do breast cancer awareness. But when we came to the school, it wasn't even October.
No.
Yes. Do you think that what we're doing here at MX24 is good?
Yes, it is.
How sure are you? What makes you think it is good?
Because there's this, should I say, stigma going around that people don't really care about breast cancer because they don't really see it because it's inside. But then people also don't want to talk about the fact that they have breast cancer and all that, but that shouldn't be, because people are there, they don't know how to go about it and all that. So what we are doing here is giving the information to others that, oh, this is how you are supposed to go about it. You go for regular screenings, you go check up, you can do your own checkup in the house and all that.
Olivia, give me 5. Yeah, there we go. So, Wasima, right after here, you're going to head back to school. When you head back to school, what is that conversation you're going to have with your fellow classmates
Okay, so
about your time here in the studio?
my in St. Mary's, they would like to know more because I know my people are watching me right now.
Hey, okay.
So when I get to the dorm or in the class, or when I just enter the school, they approach me obviously. So I'm going to tell them that it was very great with you guys, with Yaa Bitha and the production team. It was very cooperative. I learned more apart from the day in St. Mary's. And yes, it was very nice.
Yeah. Superstar #1. But guys, it has been amazing. And do you have any I know that you're not going to be in the school come next year, right? But hopefully when we come back next year and some way, somehow, we get in touch with you and we ask you to join the team to go back to St. Mary Girls. Are you ready?
Yes.
You come with us?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Hey, Allah. Okay, so right now, everybody on the Cross It Out team, I have just given you 2 resource persons, okay? We have agreed, right?
Yes.
Will you collect money?
Obviously.
We'll talk about that one after the show. But guys, this has been amazing. Of course, it has been the Cross It Out show. And I am telling you, it could be at any high school or university near you. But for more sponsorship or enquiries, you can reach us out on 059 229 2746. 059 229 2746. Remember, Cross It Out is sponsored by Top Choco, Flora Tissues, Tango Prime Washing Powder, IBM Petroleum, McPhillips Foods, YFM, and High School Click. It has been an amazing 30 minutes with you. My name is Yaa Bitha. I'll see you soon.